Goodwill finds Chinese ceremonial dagger. When I first saw this at Goodwill, I immediately thought of the dagger from Tomb Raider 2. There's also this that I found that kind of gives the same idea. Ceremonial dagger of some sort. I couldn't translate the little Chinese scripts on them, but that's okay. These little holes were attached to this other piece that Sam is holding here. And I think they had some other attachments somewhere. But when I bought it, it's all I had is this thing. These little marks kind of remind me of the tattoo on Snake Eyes. I'm sure that's not it, though. But it looks cool. And it came with this red velvety string and two little like pom-pom ends. I cut the one on the dagger down, so it was pretty long. I kind of like it this size, though. These would be cool for antique or a quest item in a photo story. I liked it. I was pretty happy with this find. There was 2 of these at Goodwill, but I only got one. Probably should have picked up both of them. So if I see it there again, I'll pick it up. The blade isn't sharp or anything. And it is actually big enough to fit in G.I.Joe's hands. I like finds like this, because I think it gives me ideas to create photo stories. And this thing would make a pretty cool quest item, I think. I'm pretty sure I could figure out a way to work in the other piece, the little coin-looking thing. But I like it. It's really cool. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps this channel out. Follow me on social media. If you want to help this channel out, support me on Patreon. I really appreciate it. Drop a comment in the comments section. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.